Hey guys, it's Mark and Jesse, and we have the Nerf Zombie Strike brain saw. Go open it. Oh god. You need help? Give me this.
Here, Mark, move out the way so they can see the gun. Here, Jesse, help him.
Give me this. Strike's on the box.
Do you want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, I got this. Whoa, what the heck? Hold it. Wait, I thought I got it. What is it? Oh man.
Here, Jesse, come hold the camera.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, this is it.
Yeah, it's two. Hold this.
Yeah.
The Nerf brain saw. The Nerf brain saw's out. Now, see? What the?
Look, Jesse, move so they can... Look, Mark, show the camera. Show the camera how it works. On the saw? What about the saw? Turn it. There you go.
There's like, and there's also where you can hold it right there, but it's like right in here. It's in here. Oh, let me get it.
Hey, show the camera. What does that do?
It holds the zombie strip. Put that on so I can hold it. Trying to get the darts. Hey! Let me do that. Then you do it. I'm gonna help you. This. Oh god.
Why don't you let Jesse help you?
Mark, you do that.
Here, look, come here. Do it over here, Jesse, so you can show the camera.
Watch. Do this. Put this on. Look at the Nerf darts. Watch. What's in here? Got it. Like this. What
Oh,
is in
dang.
this? Yeah, the Nerf brain saw. What the heck? There's nothing in there. Here, the Nerf brain saw. It's loaded with darts. Let's load this thing with darts.
Are you excited?
Cause I have.
Now look, come load them over here so we can see it. Come here. Let Jesse do some. Whoa, how cool. And this moves.
Okay, go. Face the other way. Reload. What the?
Oh!
Reload. Oh. You can hold it like this and then shoot. Okay, I'll go get the lights.
Is that it? Is the video done?
No. Fine. Oh, what? And nothing.
Okay, but you guys...
The video. Bye.
Say bye, Mark.
Bye.